Got another Lionel train car from eBay. This was such a good deal. I didn't want to pass up on it. So we got what we paid. Shipping was $11.90 on this because it came from FedEx. There's nothing way out of that because that's where the sellers ship from. But the price of the car was real good. So it all averaged out. Like real good. It's got a lot of paper in here. Here's the car. This is a Jeff Gordon NASCAR flat car. That's the number on it. This car was $12.40. $11.90 shipping. So it came out to like $25. A little over because you had to pay tax. So I was buying these for like 15, 20 bucks each. Plus the shipping, like $30. Then you had to add tax. So like $31. So I got this for like 25 bucks. Shipped. So not too bad, $12.40. Brand new in a box. Another Jeff Gordon. I think I got about 3 of these now. I get them at a good deal. Later on, who knows what I'll do with them. But not too bad. I see them now for $45. $25 plus $10 shipping. And one guy wants $35 and $15 shipping. So not too bad. $12.40 and $11.90 for shipping.